thoughts of nostalgia, awkwardness, or even revelation. Some might cherish these surprise flashbacks, finding joy in forgotten details. Others could dread the unpredictability, fearing old wounds might resurface. Society might invent new ways to control hiccups, or embrace them